Course Protein Lab Experiment Biuret Test.
Hello students, I am your instructor in the biochemistry lab of protein. So come now.
Students, let us first discuss the principle of Biuret test. It is a general test for compounds having a peptide bond. Biuret is a compound formed by heating urea to 180 degrees Celsius, and when this biuret is treated with dilute copper sulfate in alkaline condition, a purple colored compound is formed. This is the basis of Biuret test, widely used for identification of proteins and amino acids. This test is given by compounds containing two or more peptide bonds. Since all proteins and peptides possessing at least two peptide linkage, that is tripeptide, they give positive Biuret test. The principle of Biuret test is conveniently used to detect the presence of proteins in biological fluids. Alkaline copper sulfate reacts with compounds containing two or more peptide bonds to give a violet colored product, which is due to the formation of a coordination complex of cupric ions with unshared electron pairs of peptide nitrogen and oxygen of water. This is a very common method of protein estimation and identification. The only disadvantage is it is sometimes cross reacts with the ammonium sulfate present in the protein sample. The procedure of Biuret test is a very easier one. First of all, you need to have Biuret reagent, which is alkaline copper sulfate solution, and a known protein solution that may be your egg white albumin or bovine serum albumin, anything. And then you take 1 ml of test solution of protein, and in another test tube you take 1 ml of distilled water as control. Add 1 ml of Biuret reagent to all test tubes, mix well, look for the development of blue colors. Obviously, the test tube in which the protein is present, the blue color will develop only in that test tube. Now, this procedure can also be used for the quantitative estimation of protein molecules. So it can be done in the following manner.
Okay, so this is our stock solution of bovine serum albumin protein, that is BSA protein, and here the concentration is 1 mg per ml. So from this stock solution we have prepared 4 different dilutions with the help of serial dilution method. So these are all the diluted samples of BSA. Okay, so after incubation, what we are going to see that based on the serial dilution, there is a gradient of color generation in all these test tubes. This is due to the Biuret test. Biuret reagent produces this blue color according to the concentration of the proteins. So now we can measure the concentration of these proteins with the help of colorimeter. So in the next step we are going to measure the OD value of these serially diluted samples and measure the concentration. First of all, we have to calibrate our colorimeter with the blank solution. So with the blank solution we are selecting this 0 value. Now our calibration is done. Now we are going to take the OD values of different protein samples so that we can get their OD values. So likewise, we can take all the absorbance data for all our serially diluted proteins and make a standard curve with the help of these data. Now we are going to take the value of our unknown protein sample. So here the value of the unknown protein sample is 0.56. So this is the value of our unknown protein sample, which we are going to measure with the help of the standard curve that we have prepared. So in that standard curve, we are going to put that value and extrapolate the data so that we can get the unknown protein concentration with the help of this particular reaction.
Here are some additional resources which you can check for more informations on Biuret test. Also, how to prepare the standard curve and fit your sample data in it to obtain the unknown value. You can have an idea of that process from these links. So check it out. Thank you for your patience.